Mine is not a joke, it's a testimony. No jokes. I know I take on this Lagos. They deceive me. Samuel Poso. I'm not joking. I'm my senior brother. Well, I don't know where he did now. Say, I could do soundtrack. I did rap for Worry. I did trend for Worry. I don't know. Say they never even know me for Worry. So I could do soundtrack for Lagos. Now I take on Lagos 2003. And the worst thing that can happen to you. Why I like comedy, I say comedy, you go see your result immediately. They not laugh. You know, say like say the joke not funny or the crowd not the intelligent. Yeah, because it's not every time that you'll be at fault now. It can never be your fault all the time. It's simple. You know, but for rap, the area where you stay, you must get people for there. No one know how you bad reach for the music. Because people they speed down into the area where tell and say you are good. Yes, now. For him to add Akpe, Scorpion King. And people tell us, Baba, you're good. Don't be smart they do me. So, but you know Lagos, you can't just do one place. You must do something now. Because what I go learn now, I need to learn something we go even enable me get more money, then go back to this music. Because I go learn plumbing. People they fix water for house. You know, so I don't learn the work like 2 weeks. One woman call me, I got no the shop. The woman say, actually, say their tank, they store water. So only when lights they get water. So once they take lights, water not they day because they enter tank. Now I tell the woman say na breeze. The woman shocked. He said, what thing I talk with? I said na breeze they do am. So to cut the long story short, the woman said, what thing you go pay? Now I tell her, now give me the money. Now I have to go chop first. I can't run the water now. So water can't they enter tank to the glory of God. The only problem now is the water not can't enter the house again. You know? So the woman come, what will be the problem? I say na breeze. Get the way breeze, they disconnect. Water. The thing no they make sense. The woman come arrest me. I can't go station. Now when I reach station, DPO they ask me, say, what thing happen? I say na breeze. DPO never hear that kind of thing before. Next minute they put me for back of counter. I say, I say no normal. Where are they? Two policemen call they discuss, say the sink for DPO office. Say you know they flush. They no call me. Between God and man. Now let me tell them, say I can run it. For the first time I hear police say, thank God. And they call me, now I enter DPO office. So. Under 15 minutes, I don't run up the thing they flush. DPO won't even they consider me before I discover the water they come out from under in chair. So that's how they say make a sign, say I don't go ever near pipe again. I can't quit now, I can't go learn electrician work. One man can call me say their house, they connect them, I say, but their meter they shock. I can say, okay, make I go run and that will not be issue now. He say, what did they cause meter to shock? I say, na breeze. Get the way breeze go to enter the meter card, go they shock people. He said, okay, make I run and now they give me money, now I go chop first. So as I come back, I run them. To the glory of God, the meter stopped to the shock. The only problem now be say the full house got the shock. You know, so the thing for no verse the man, oh. The way the man just carry remote to me on TV, and the thing flinger. And the man come arrest me. Go station. You know, so for station, because they judge the case left and right. Last DPO say me they leave me. Say make I promise I don't ever touch wire again. For my life. Now I promise. Now I quit that one. So I can go do conductor work. Now your career. So I went into conducting. Is that how they call it? Because I don't know why the PG why they talk. They make that shit. I went into conducting. That's when you conduct a bus. I ended up conductor work. You know, the day when I start the work, the man called the vest for me. Say the driver say I don't get ginger. I could explain to her. I say I know my ginger. You know they too good though. You understand? He said, why people go enter other people bus, then they enter one. I said, nah, breeze. Yeah, you get the way you person go enter your bus, breeze go blow enter another person bus. The man said, nah, lie. He said, nah, because I don't get ginger, make I use ginger. So I can say, okay, I can apply the ginger. We start work around 10. When I use my ginger finish, by 12 o'clock, door break, side mirror door off. You know, the man did ask me, I said, nah, breeze. I can't go to do all those things for children face where they do painting. You know, if the pikin fine, you paint and well. If you're not fine, you paint and the way the pikin be. Because not be your fault. Yes. So I do that one. One of my friends, God goes to punish. Come tell me, say, there's no difference between this thing and barbing. Sister, don't me to waste my talent for your man could do barbing. Because, okay, no, well, you know, so once you start barbing, they learn. Now, as much as the head of it, they give you. So at this salon, let me do. One woman bring her pikin come. Say, make her barb the pikin hair. I just noticed it before I finish, the woman, they cry. Some of them, what exactly might be the problem? The woman say, I beg you in the name of whatever you worship. Can you gum the hair where you don't come out back? So what it can happen, what it quit that barbing? One man bring the pikin come, let me this salon. You know, so the man goes say, he want drop in pikin, go buy something for supermarket. Say, make I barb the pikin here before he come. Say, no problem now. So, before the man go, I don't barb the pikin here. If me and the pikin sit down, they watch ball. You know, so as the man enter, now the man ask me, say, where in pikin? This is why it's a true life story. Like, true life story. So, I thought the man said, you're picking with the man said, God forbid. So I quit everything. Come, decide to do comedy. I come marry. Come born. I don't know, say, that baby what I tell spoil children here that time go affect me when I don't born my own. I don't know. So now I get 2 children. The worst part is say my first son not believe in me. Yes, that's the problem. So every day now they reinvent myself to my son to make him believe say I'm a father. Yes. Ask my son, who is your best comedian? I say basket mouth. And off he vex because a basket they help me. So I tell her, I say, you are very correct. It's just that, do you know that your dad is a comedian? I say, no. I say, okay, let's leave it at that. I don't want you to even know. You know, and the sad part, the second one, I don't want to talk about her. That at 2 years old, will be Curtis. Let's leave that one. That boy don't open door, see me and the mama, they wipe. Normal small pikin, 2 years old, say me you go come out. Or you will even talk with it, bring you come because you dey innocent, abi? This boy stand, they look me. I go, after a while, I may be the father for the house. Now I need to brace the house and say, what is it? Now tell me, say, I want beer. Because of what they do for my ear and a bread a year. I say, go and take. You know, so by the time we reach parlor later, I see 8 cans of Origin for granted. I'm going to give you Origin, buy a drink. Give me Origin, buy a drink. As I thought this day, I remember Origin. Bring up. We they find this boy for 2 hours. We go see on top TV where they hang for war. The guy, they sleep well. And at the first 2 years old, they rusticate for nursery school. No jokes. They see 12 pen knife for him back. 12. I mean, I know I don't get all those kind of pen knife for us. So now later now I find out that my neighbor picking be the court leader. But am I picking the whole tools? And as a father, you know, as a single man, so I just see the color they jump up and down and I look there. Say, now still funny later, so. You get the guy be way go hit you. Joke no come on. Do you know that I used to live in Surulere peacefully? They tell me, say, come island, they're very good to train children, environment, everything. I say, no problem. Now boss that. And as a single man, when you they move, you they carry your bag, you don't go. If you get girlfriend, if you tell your girlfriend, say, I'll see you next month. No shaking. But this time you carry children, carry wife, you must plan the children's school too. Because you know if they carry children from main island, they go mainland every day now. So I don't say not the same thing, because for mainland, if you they pay 25,000 for school, now you could be PTA chairman. Normally for Surulere. Anything that they do, they must bring food come your house, even if you not come. You know. So when I reach, I know they like details. I just tell the woman, say, madam, please just give me the total of everything we're going to need to pay for this pikin to enter school. I bet hold on. Thank you. Fine girl. You know? I said, give me the total. And that woman tell me, and I do my calculator. Next thing, 850,000. I don't know when I mean she they talk to actually. I turned back when she called the money. He said, like, how many of us really there here? He says 850,000 naira. I said, now I go pay. He said, yes. For small people, want enter primary one. He said, I said, if you finish now from this primary school, you won't give her NYC uniform, may go serve. And the woman come insult me. Say, you see, that's what I'm saying. This school is not for everybody. I said, wow. Madam, I just came to make inquiry. You don't insult me. He said, not be insult. Say, na fact. And the truth is always bitter. I said, okay, let me tell you the truth. Nobody go come this school. She said, a joke. Every day they wear suits, stand for the school gate. As people, they bring their children, I mean, they say that they kidnap children here. Trust Nigerians now. Jesus, thank you, my brother. God will honor you. So the one man carrying twins, they come. I mean, tell the man, say they just kidnap twins for you. Their apart find they kidnap their apart join. Do you want to be in that category? The man say, my brother, you will be blessed. Your own will not lose. I say amen. You know, to the glory of God, after 6 months, they give the 4 children with the school certificate, make they go, they turn the place to a restaurant. So now they go chop now. So when the woman see me, I say, my customer, God bless you, thank you. I say, is this food for everybody? He say, yes. I say, you don't get sense. Good. Yeah. Thank you guys, man. So ladies and gentlemen, alcohol is good. Alcohol has saved a lot of things, saved a lot of people. Get one guy with a send juju from Warri make up key for Lagos, simply because the guy they remember home. So the juju come Lagos, he not see the guy for us. Juju come discover say the guy there for Quilos. Now juju enter Quilos. Based on say the guy don't hide, the guy see the juju. So he asked the juju, say, Juju, what you call do for club? Juju no feel like. Juju say, my brother, they say, I can kill you. Juju shocked for the reply. The guy say, my brother, everybody go die one day. Sit down, make you drink. Now the guy begin buy drink, give Juju. You know, say by the time Juju do on the 6th bottle of drink, Juju don't call the guy, boss! Now man you be. Anything I go kill you, may go kill Sammy first. You too get level. As the guy hear that, now the guy say, wow, this Juju don't mess him up. Say, me they bring 2 girls, me they give Juju lap dance. My brother, Juju bend here though. They give Juju lap dance. Juju pick phone, call him Madioha. For the first time, he call him bro. If they say he may go keep us, they look well. Oh. Ask the right questions, may no go kill your destiny helper. As somebody I want to talk, he said, that's all. Now I cut. Now one of the guests go down and wipe Juju come up. Juju don't know when he stand up, go meet the guy, buy and drink. Say, my God, I worship you. You took a level. Thank you guys, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep it going for F.A. Warri Boy. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Join us same time next week for more comedy, more laughter right here at Sunday Night Lives. You guys are awesome. Stay safe. God bless you. Good night. Have an amazing week ahead.
Sunday Night Laughs brought to you by Barron's World and Zing Network. Powered by Origin.
This corona because as they come out, people will ask me, say, you not go walk. Nobody they go walk now. We are all unemployed. So nobody has to say you they ask, we the house.